Hey everybody, what's up? This is Sweezy's World. Could be your world. This is just a real short quickie. It's just my opinion on what one item maybe you should have in your little inventory, for when the proverbial crap hits the real proverbial fan. And this is one. All right. It's a drone, as you can tell. This is an inexpensive drone. This particular model you can't buy anymore because they've got 2 or 3 generations up now. I've had this for a little while. It's got a little bit of GPS in it. It's okay. If it crashed and blew up or whatever, it's no great loss. I have a couple of DJIs, and they're the Cadillac of drones. But with the way things are going and the FAA and all this stuff, I personally would not recommend buying a DJI, even if you could find one, because right now I don't even know if you can find them. And you definitely don't want to buy a used one. Just don't, unless you know the person you're getting it from. And that goes for really any kind of a drone. Do your best to get a brand new one. And the reason you would want one is so that you can, during the SHtF, you can put it up in the air and you can see what's going around in your little area of operation. And that's what it's for. And that's really all you need. Now, you can get any size you want, because at that particular point in time when you're using it, nobody's going to care. FAA is not going to care. They're going to be too tied up doing all whatever, and they're not going to care what you've got. But the new stuff coming out now, if you get something now, if you get it over 250 grams, you got to, we have to register it. If it's 250 or below, you don't have to register it. But anyways, that's just, I wanted just to touch a base on that. I believe everyone should have one of those. Inexpensive one, expensive one, whichever you want. And I'm just saying, you need it to keep your eye on what's going on in the area and stuff, okay? It's just very important. So, all right, then, hey, look, until next time, nothing but love for you guys. I really mean it. Stay safe out there. And if you can afford one, get you one of them little things, They will come in handy at some point. So, all right, then, everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.